guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. So in this video I want to show you guys how to make this hair growth butter. This butter is amazing and I thought I'd share with you guys on how to make it. So I'm using same ingredients like in my last video. If you haven't watched it, the suggestion will be right above. We'll start off by infusing olive oil, and you add olive oil and then we'll start adding all the ingredients. So this was a challenge for me because I wanted to show you guys how to make hair growth oil, hair growth shampoo, and then now finally hair growth butter. So there'll be a giveaway at the end of this. So I have fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is very important, and then I have comfrey leaf as well, and then lastly I have amla. I'll explain the benefits of each ingredient because they work well together for hair growth, and I've included these for you so that we can get that hair growing, you know. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of amla, and then next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of comfrey leaf, and then lastly I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. So you're going to make sure that you mix this for a while just to make sure that all particles are mixed, because we're using powders and we don't want to have any solid particles. So you make sure you mix for a long time until you're sure. And then I'm going to place this over a hot bath like I normally do. And I infuse this oil for like 2 hours, and that's just to get all the nutrients out of all those powders into the oil. So while that's happening, I'm starting off with the shea butter. I'll add shea butter, and then next I'm adding coconut oil, and then eventually after the coconut oil I'm going to add avocado oil. And then after avocado oil I'm adding castor oil. So I combined these four oils for you guys because I feel they work best with my hair. If you have preference in whatever oil you use and you prefer, you can also substitute the oils. So I'm going to place this over a hot water bath and make sure that it all melts thoroughly, and make sure not to overheat your butters because we don't want to lose all the nutrients in these oils. So you just leave it over heat and over hot water, and don't leave your oils long on the heat either, because we need all the nutrients in this butter. So after that's done, I'm going to place this in a plastic bowl. I didn't show that in this video. I left in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and this is how it should look. So it should be slightly soft. So we'll start in by blending, and I start by whipping the shea butter. Alright, so after whipping, I'm adding now that infused olive oil. It's nice and dark and it smells lovely on its own, so herbal, so it's so brilliant. And then I'm adding the little paste that I have at the bottom. That's all the powders mixed together with the other herbs. I always add a little bit of this because it does help in promoting growth, and I want all the nutrients that come with this oil to be in one jar. So as you can see, there's no wasting in this tutorial. It's just with this recipe you're using everything that you got. So you've used all the oils, you've made use of all the herbs, you've made use of the infused oils, and you've added the herbs. So that's what makes this hair growth butter much more different from any normal shea butter, and you will see results if you do make this. So do try it. So I will then add more because I added until I'm certain at a darker color, and it's up to you if it's preference. If you don't want any herbs in there, then you don't have to add so many. Now I'm just going to talk quickly about the comfrey leaf, and comfrey leaf is a herbal supplement, and this is going to help us stimulate the growth and hair growth. It will also control our hair loss. And then fenugreek, it also promotes hair, and then it also has potassium and protein and iron, and these nutrients are essential for hair growth. And then lastly, the amla contains fatty acids which stimulate hair growth as well, and because it is also high in iron and It will also help with softening and shining and adding volume to our hair. So I'm gonna add essential oils to this, and I've added peppermint. I love peppermint, lavender, rosemary, but my favorite is lavender. In this I added a peppermint, and it smells so good. And if you want to use a different a different essential oil, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just using what I like, and this is just to show you guys exactly how you can make it and using your own oils or your own essential oil. So I have a jar here, and this jar is about 350 mils, and this made exactly that. So if you're looking to make the shea butter, it does make that. I didn't put measurements. The recipe is gonna be in my description box, and you can purchase it on Patreon. All my recipes are there, so that's just to support me to make more DIYs for you guys. So I just want to show you guys a close-up of this butter. It smells amazing, the texture is so lovely, and I use this on my hair, on my daughter's hair, and I have a bonus video at the end. I just wanted to show you guys how smooth it is. If you're worried about the particles in the oil, then you don't have to add what I did. It's up to you. The infused the infused oil will do the same job as well. So I wanted to show you guys at the end how I use it. I use this to seal in moisture in my child's hair, and this is after conditioning her hair, conditioning her hair, and then I'm going to go in and use that, and this helps in sealing in moisture. It's not something you use on its own after washing hair. You have to make sure that your hair is thoroughly conditioned, and then after that you can use this as a sealing moisture. Usually I use it on the hair. You can also apply it on the scalp. It's actually up to you to do as you prefer. It's a hair growth butter, so it doesn't stick, it will melt because it's all oils, but it's just so amazing, and it helps in softening the hair as well. So it's amazing. Just try it, and I hope you guys like this video, because I always have all these butters and DIYs that I make at home, and this has helped in growing my child's hair. And for people who don't follow us on Instagram, I'll put the link also down in the description box. And before I forget, as this video is going on, I wanted to mention that there will be a giveaway of the hair growth oil, hair growth shampoo, and the hair growth butter. I'm going to have a picture stored on Instagram at the end of this week, so Friday the 15th I'm gonna have that giveaway posted. So if you'd like to follow Golden Roots on Instagram so that you get to participate in that, then you can. I do a lot of giveaways as well on that page. It's a business page, so do follow and support it. So one thing I also wanted to include is that make sure you protect your ends, make sure you apply more oil at the ends, and then always try and coil your ends so that they're just not loose. This has helped in promoting also hair growth, and in also protecting your hair in damaging your hair. You have to make sure you protect your hair, do protective styles, and also make sure you're protecting your ends. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys, and if you do try it, remember to comment below. To all my new subscribers and all old subscribers, thank you so much, and if you're new, remember to subscribe. Bye.